Here is your quick guide on how to integrate AuthN by ID with Okta. First, you're going to need to head over to your Okta admin console. Under Security, go to Identity Providers and click Add Identity Provider. And we're going to do this via SAML. And this is where you get to name your integration or your IDP. Next, select the IDP username, which is idpuser.subjectNameId, and match against Okta username or email. And set the account link policy to automatic. If no match is found, change this to redirect to Okta sign-in page. The issuer IDP URI and URL is found within the IDE Integration portal, as you can see, so you can grab them from there and simply copy them into the Okta console. Now you just need to upload your IDP signature certificate and change the request binding to HTTP redirect. And we're nearly done. So now we just hit finish. And this is the integration. We just need to download this metadata file and upload that now into the AuthN integration portal under service provider metadata. So just select the file. Now select your authentication method. We recommend WebAuthN, which is same device and phish-proof. Save changes. And here is the integration, which we're just going to test. So we're just logging into Okta, where we've been redirected to AuthN to log in. And the user just unlocks their device to authenticate and log in. And as you can see, this integration is working perfectly. The user is now logged in and authenticated with phish-proof MFA. Find out more at getid.com.